I had this sign made some years ago when Glas Fryn the layout was in the shed, but it's no longer in the shed. It hasn't been for some time, so I thought I'd translate Glas Fryn into English, which is Blue Hill. So there we are. We have the new sign, Glas Fryn Blue Hill. Well, things are certainly happening. I've got that track in down there now, and all the way around, and on the goods area, which I think is actually going to be the engine shed area instead there. And I've made two exit tracks from the sidings, which are down there where the Locos are at the moment, but I'm going to move the Locos to this other area. There are all the Locos, and they're all going to take or need a fair bit of maintenance. And there we have the sidings waiting for the rolling stock, which is still in boxes ready to come out. The next major project is the hill and the Heritage Railway running down the hill on that board there, and then that will have the funicular on it as well. There's the funicular diorama which I had on my old layout, but it's too big to go where I want it now, so I'm going to have to take it to pieces and salvage what I can. There's what I've managed to salvage. The tracks with the cutting slopes, the bottom station, the control panel, one of the side panels, and this little chap, one straggler that was standing outside the station waiting to go in. He's missed the last train, I'm afraid. There's the funicular railway on the new location now, but it is too big. I'm going to have to shorten it, and to do that it's too long. Too high at the end here. I'm going to cut the bottom off and move the whole thing down. That'll save mucking about with this where the motor is. I've now got all the track laid for the Heritage line. Got a bit of building up here to do, but two lines with a platform here and a platform here, and this line for holding traffic which is not in use at the time. So a train can leave here and come down and round this way or along this way. If it comes down this line here, it can come into this platform or this line, and there'll be a platform here, curved. I don't like making curved ones, but never mind. If it goes the other way, it will come round here underneath the mountain, round and into the station again, where they can obviously pass. But that involves a reversing loop, and as you probably know, reversing loops on DCC don't go together very well. So I bought this little gizmo from Gauge Master, and it's called an auto reverse module, and apparently you just wire it in, and as the train passes from one polarity to the other, it automatically switches over. Now, how that works I really don't know, but it's going to be interesting to find out. You have to, of course, insulate or put some insulators in, and I've done that at this joint here, so that that's one side of the reversing loop. I just I really just hope that it it all works from that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to take it to pieces and start again. Anyway, we'll find out. In the meantime, I've shortened the funicular by about 4 inches, so it's dropped that end down quite nicely, and I'll get some sideboards put up here and along the other side there to start forming the mountain. But I'm going to have to leave a little hatch in it somewhere in case I have any problems or derailments inside the tunnel. It's going to be a fairly long one. Well, that's it for this time, and I hope you'll come back and see the development of Glas Fryn, or Blue Hill, which is what I'm going to have to call it. So thanks very much indeed for watching this time, if you've got this far. Bye bye everybody.